Welcome back to the peoples of the world. Today, we're diving into the heart of Moroccan cuisine with a traditional recipe that's loved by many, Moroccan couscous. Let's get started. For this delicious Moroccan couscous, you'll need couscous, lamb or chicken, olive oil, chopped onion, sliced carrots and zucchinis, cooked chickpeas, raisins, broth, ground cumin, coriander, cinnamon, turmeric, salt, pepper, and fresh cilantro for garnish. First, we'll prepare the couscous. Place the couscous in a large bowl and add a pinch of salt. Pour 2 cups of boiling water or broth over the couscous. Cover the bowl with a plate and let it sit for about 5 minutes, allowing the couscous to absorb the liquid. Fluff the couscous with a fork to separate the grains. While the couscous is soaking, we can prepare our vegetables and meat. Next, we'll cook the meat and vegetables. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or tajin over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add the lamb or chicken pieces and cook until brown on all sides. Stir in the carrots and zucchinis and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the ground cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and turmeric. Stir well to coat the meat and vegetables with the spices. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is tender. Once the meat and vegetables are tender, stir in the cooked chickpeas and raisins and let them heat through for about 5 minutes. Fluff the couscous again with a fork and then add it to the pot or tajin, mixing it gently with the meat and vegetables. Let everything cook together for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. To serve, transfer the couscous mixture to a large serving dish. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. Thank you for joining us today on To the Peoples of the World. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more authentic recipes from around the globe. Leave a comment below if you tried making Moroccan couscous at home and share your experience with us. See you next time, and happy cooking!